Why hello there and welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I've spoken to any of you. I think it's been 6 months or so since I've uploaded, probably longer. So I just wanted to come to you today with a vlog. I am moving house. So I'm moving from, as you can probably tell from all the boxes in the background, I'm moving from the suburbs into the city by myself. And I'll be living in a cute little 1-bedroom, 1-study apartment with city views. I'm actually very excited. My dog is coming with me. Where are you? Excuse me, are you licking your... Phoebe! Do not lick your paw. My goodness. Yeah, so she's coming with me. And yeah, I am currently packing. So I'm going to show you like the house. So this is the house that I'm currently moving out of. As you can see, it's got a huge staircase, so that's where the entrance is. The garage is downstairs and the front door. And then around here we have the main bedroom. I just thought it would be fun to give like a little tour of where I used to live, also for my own like sort of personal diary. So this is the main bedroom and it faces out onto the complex. Hello. And this here is the mirrored wardrobes. And then here you've got some space inside. So this is the big big room. It's got an air conditioner. And I think there's still stuff in here. This was Matt's bathroom. So for full subtext, that's not the right word, context, my partner and I have split up amicably. We split up about 9 months ago and he has now moved out today. This was the ensuite. And just gonna walk out. I'm gonna shut this because Phoebe goes in there thinking, oh, what's in here? I don't trust you. I do not trust you. I love you though. Oh, wrong light. I've been here like 2 years. How do I not know all the lights? And this was the laundry room, pretty basic. Turn the outside light off. I won't show you the floor because it's disgusting because he just took the washer and dryer and it's really gross. This is the hallway. It looks really dark and scary actually from this camera. But to the right, got a nice trusty ladder here for short people problems. But it's got a main toilet in there. That's kind of boring. This is the bathroom that was mine. So looks a bit gross because I'm packing obviously. But this is my little rubber plant. One of the first plants I've ever been able to keep alive. And then it just has the bath and shower. And then over here is my current bedroom. Again, extremely messy because I've just resigned myself to the fact that it's going to be messy for a while until I get my new place. But it had mirrored wardrobes as well. And then this is where I just was before at the start of the video. This was my beauty room. I had a whole tour of the beauty room on my channel. I can link that down below because it was really cute and I really enjoyed this room, but I'm moving on to different things. And then through here was another bathroom, which we really just didn't use, unless guests were here. This was Matt's office. He's taking cans to get recycled. These are all the towels and stuff that I'm going to be throwing out, moving problems. And then this was the living area and kitchen. I'll just turn on the lights. Okay, so this was the living area. So before, just for context, we were down the hallway before and we've just done a big loop. And this was the living room. That TV is mine, so everything in here is mine because Matt has gone. And this is the kitchen stuff. And then there was a backyard leading out to here. It had places for wine bottles, and I've got some gin and some red wine in there. I don't know why I have red wine. I hate red wine. And yeah, this was the kitchen area. So Matt kindly gave me his air fryer. Oh, and also I'm trying to like keep plants alive. Just to ignore this guy. But this is a pothos, a golden pothos, and he's actually like doing so well. And then I planted this succulent. I cut him out of the garden where I'm living. I probably shouldn't have, but they needed to be trimmed and I didn't want to throw them out. And yeah, I potted him and he seems like pretty solid now. I literally just cut it off and put it in dirt, and I think he's actually rooted in there now. Unfortunately, my tomato plant, which my lovely friend Maz gave me, is not doing well, and I can't find a pot for him, so that's probably why. It still smells good. Anyway, that is where I'm currently living. So I'm here for another 2 weeks, and then my movers come and take my stuff to the new place. So take a long last look, because the next scene you're going to see me unpacking in my new place. Woo! Hey guys, so it's the day before my actual moving day, or when my movers come. Oh my god, my jacket is filthy. I am just taking like small bits and pieces to my apartment, but I thought I would just show you what it looks like. So this is my front door. I'm just gonna throw that bag out. And then these are like push things. So I put all my pantry food in here, which I think looks really good. I'm gonna get little baskets for down there. But it's got heaps of storage. It's got this cabinet. It comes with the microwave, so I was very lucky to just get a microwave built in. And then this one is another storage section. I would never be able to reach the top shelves, so I'll probably put like things I don't really care about up there. This is where the fridge is gonna go. I've already measured. This comes with a dishwasher. This is the rest of the kitchen. So it's just like one long kitchen. And that's what that looks like. As you can see, I'm already like pulling a few things out. My Dyson is charging over there. I bought a new one. It was a V7 and I got it for like half price. In here is all where the like internet stuff is. Just won't touch that. But this is the living room, and then I've got my little bowls for Phoebe, and then this desk came with the unit, and it was originally in the study, but I'm going to use it as a TV cabinet because I've got my own study desk. This is the balcony. I'll take you out there in a second. So back around here, technically I guess this is the dining area, but I won't have a dining table. I'll have one outside, but not inside. Comes with a dryer. This is where the washing machine will go. And that's just like the little laundry area. And then turning around into here, this is the bathroom. I forgot my vlogging camera, so I'm just filming on my phone. I've already put some of my skincare out, which I think looks really tidy and neat. And that's the actual shower, which is a decent size for me because I'm only short. And then in here is the study, which is a nice decent size. And the desk was originally in here that I'm going to use for my TV cabinet. And this is my beautiful bedroom. I'll just show you without the lights on first, because this goes out onto the balcony. And then this is my beautiful views, like floor to ceiling windows. I'll just turn the light on. This is the cupboard, plenty of space in there, and just a nice carpet. But yeah, these are my views. Like, this is the view from my bedroom. Like, this is insane. I've always wanted like an inner city apartment with views like all around, and you can access the balcony from the living room and the bedroom. So this is the balcony, and they're really well like big balconies, which is great. And this is the view, which is just makes me happy. And then yeah, I've got some plants out here. I've got my rubber plant, little guy sitting on here. I think I'm gonna put like little lights along here. I'm gonna get a nice table, and then I'm gonna get like a little grass patch for Phoebe, you know, in case she wants to go when I can't take her downstairs. And yeah, back into the bedroom, which is just delightful. Oh. And then as soon as you like shut all of the doors, it's so soundproof. Like, this is the coziest little apartment, and I'm so excited. Like, I am ridiculously excited. And I bought like a sectional couch to go in here, which is gonna look cute. I think the couch will go on this side. I haven't decided yet, because I think Is that a TV? No, the TV thing is just on this side, I think. Yeah, the TV is just on this side, so it'll have to go on this side. But yeah, I'm not thrilled that I have to keep this. I said, oh, you know, can they store it somewhere? But they don't have any space, which is a little annoying, but I guess I saved money on buying a TV cabinet. But it's obviously only gonna fit the TV on top. So I'm gonna have to get some sort of shelf down here to put my media players and soundbar, etc. But yeah, and this is back to the kitchen. So it's small, but it's perfect for just little old me. But tomorrow my movers are coming with all the rest of my furniture. And then I'm done. I don't even remember the last thing I said to you guys, but the movers came today and everything's in my apartment and I've taken out all the boxes and now I just have to like put most of it away. But this is the view from my bedroom. I love it so much and I just can't believe that this is my view. Sorry, I'm still on my phone. My vlogging camera is in my kitchen and I'm too lazy to move. I don't know what's going on with my phone's focus, but it does not like focusing on the city lights. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed and then I will catch up with you guys tomorrow to show you what the place looks like. So today I'm putting up this table and the courier came and was like, I can't take it up the lift. And I was like, all right, well, I'll come down. And he just left it in the lobby unattended, which was great. But this is what I'm working with. I had to haul this big freaking thing. Luckily I found a trolley. These are the chairs that I'll have to put together, and this is the table part, and I'm just doing that now. I'll give you guys a tour once I'm done of what I've completed so far in the new unit. It's looking pretty good. I'm just waiting on my couch, and I want to order a rug, and then I've ordered like a little table to put under here for like storage. So I'll show you guys a little bit later once this is all a bit tidier. Well, several hours later, it's done. One of the chairs actually split when I was putting a screw in it, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay, but this is my table. And I put it this way because I think if it went the other way it would be too much. I don't know. And then everybody can sort of see the view then. So I am on the way to go get my hair dyed for the first time in like 3 years or 2 years. I don't know, it's been a very long time. So most of this hair is virgin. It's very, very sunny right now and I can't really see. But this is my hair currently. And I am going blonde. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so my hair is done. I didn't take any video in the salon because I just honestly had a good time. They were really lovely people. And I just wanted to enjoy the moment. But this is my amazing hair. Like, I can't believe how much it lifted. Look at that. Like, I know most of it was like virgin, like to maybe here, so that's why you can see a little bit of warmth on these ends, but we're gonna go back in 3 weeks and capture those. But I'm happy with it the way it is. Like, it's just so pretty and I'm so happy. We have so many toys. And of course, I absolutely forgot to finish editing this video. What an attractive screenshot. Oh my god, who is she? So I just wanted to say sorry about that, but please stay tuned for my next video because you will get a full apartment tour with all of my furniture. So I will be uploading that very shortly after this vlog. Thanks guys, I appreciate you watching. Bye!